Hello guys, kok gelap kali? Hello guys, thank you for clicking this video because I want to show you how to make a natural mango juice. But before I show you the tutorial, I would like to introduce myself. My name is 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏 and I'm from Sultan Iskandar Muda School. To be precise, I'm from class 10-2. Okay, the first thing we need is cutting table, a knife, 2 fresh mangoes, 250 boiled water, but we don't need any sugar because the mangoes are already sweet. Okay, the first steps, you can wash the mango to clean it from the dirt. Step 2, you can peel the mango skin. Next steps, cut the mango with the small cutting. Okay, next, you can pour the water. And blend it.
I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree, and I feel like I'm clinging to a cloud I can't understand. I get misty just holding your hand.
Turn on the blender. Okay, so this is the view of the juice, but now I want to taste it. This is good. You can pour the juice into your glass. The mango juice is all ready. You can enjoy it.
Don't you notice?
Hi friends all, thank you for watching this video tutorial. I am proud because now you can understand how to make natural mango juice. This method is certainly very easy to do and can be made anywhere and anytime. I'm Gavin from 10-2. I will take my leave. Hopefully you get more knowledge from this video. Thank you.
𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏